for a smart TV that delivers vibrant visuals and endless entertainment? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a look at the Roku Select Series 32-inch Full HD TV, featuring crisp 1080p, Full HD resolution, the intuitive Roku Smart platform, vibrant picture quality, and easy access to thousands of streaming channels for an enjoyable entertainment experience. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Roku Select Series 32-inch Full HD TV, TV base, screws, voice remote, AAA batteries, user manual. Product features. Enjoy crisp, detailed visuals with 1080p Full HD resolution that brings your favorite movies, TV shows, sports, and games to life. Every scene looks sharper and more vibrant than standard HD, delivering a more immersive viewing experience with rich colors and improved clarity. The built-in Roku operating system gives you quick access to thousands of streaming channels, including popular services like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, Prime Video, and more. Its simple, easy-to-navigate interface helps you find and enjoy your favorite content without the hassle of switching between devices. HDR, High Dynamic Range. Support enhances compatible content by improving brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. You'll experience deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and more realistic colors, making every scene appear more lifelike and visually engaging. The included Roku voice remote lets you search for movies, launch streaming apps, adjust the volume, and control your TV using simple voice commands. It offers a faster, more convenient way to navigate your entertainment without constantly scrolling through menus. Just speak and enjoy effortless control at your fingertips. Technical specifications. How to use. Place the Roku TV on a stable stand or mount it on a compatible wall bracket. Connect the power cable to a power outlet and attach any external devices, such as a cable box, gaming console, or Blu-ray player, using the available HDMI ports. Press the power button on the included Roku voice remote to switch on the TV and begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your preferred language and connect the TV to your Wi-Fi network. Sign into your existing Roku account or create a new one to activate the TV. Once connected, the TV may download and install the latest software updates to ensure the best performance and access to the newest features. After the setup is complete, explore the Roku home screen to access thousands of streaming apps and free channels. Download or open your favorite services, sign into your accounts, and start watching your favorite movies, TV shows, sports, or live content. Use the Roku voice remote to search with your voice, launch apps, adjust the volume, and navigate the interface quickly and easily. Safety tips. Use a stable installation. Ensure proper ventilation. Protect from moisture. Use the correct power source. Handle the screen carefully. Unplug during storms or non-use. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.